Hey there, guys. Here we have a new GE window air conditioner. I got this on Craigslist for $60, actually. Pretty good deal. This replaced my home's window fan. It's actually a nice unit. There's the modes. It is 3 months old, and it is rated 5,000 BTUs. It's got a GE rotary compressor. And there's some styrofoam there in the unit. Don't know how well you can see. And then there's the evaporator. You can barely see it, but yeah. I can show the low fan here. It's actually pretty quiet. And then I can turn on the compressor. Okay, so I just set it to low cool. I think the compressor kind of takes a while for it to turn on for some reason. It's very quiet. I'll change it to high cool. Still pretty quiet, actually. I usually sleep with this at night time, because it helps me fall asleep. This is a nice unit. As you can see, the filter is clean. And it's got well, anyway, thanks for watching.